Welcome everybody. I am CMA Ganesh Narvade and today we are going to discuss about a very important thing which institute and all the members and students have to really think about. सोचते हैं हम लोग. Papan bhai, really the face of the institute. Whenever notification has to come, institute का कोई भी समाचार, कोई भी न्यूज चाहिए, first will come on Twitter timeline of Papan bhai. Papan bhai has become more bigger face than the institute today. Whatever news has to come, it will come first there and later on it will be published in institute's website. Is this a right practice? Till now, in the history of the institute, it did not happen. But from last 1-2 years, we are observing the same. This needs to change. We actually think that we learn in CMA Foundation that organizational interest prevails first and individual interest is subordinate to organizational interest. पहले संस्थान का इंटरेस्ट, बाद में इंडिविजुअल इंटरेस्ट. यहाँ कुछ उल्टा ही हो रहा है, राइट? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट notification should come onto institute's website and then it should be discussed or shared on timelines of Twitter, Facebook, wherever. No problem at all. But ये गलत हो रहा है, इसे चेंज करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. Second important thing, you come on YouTube and tell October exam तो पक्का होगा, ऑनलाइन होगा. You tell like this, okay great, but हुआ क्या? नहीं हुआ ना. What is the credibility you are creating? You are in a position which represents 80,000 professionals. You are sitting on a chair which decides the future of 80,000 plus students and the future of the institute. And you talk which is not credible, which will not happen in future. That gives a complete wrong message. There are many things to work on. The study material is not updated. There are so many mistakes in accounting study material, law. There are blunders which are committed. Even in GST, there are so many mistakes. Are you working on these things? From so many years, no changes, total mistakes, total blunders in your study material. Placement side, what did you work? No work done. Very limited. You are not focusing on that. Skill training, okay, you launched some programs, but how many difficulties students are facing? Are you able to understand? Are you trying to resolve it? Not at all. ना प्लेसमेंट में, ना ट्रेनिंग में, ना स्टडी मटेरियल में, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू कम्पीट एट द ग्लोबल लेवल. कैसे चलेगा ऐसे? वी हैव टू रियली change the things. We have to really put things on track. And for that, Papan bhai, organizational interest should prevail, not the personal interest. Notifications should come on organization's website first, not on personal timelines. Any news should not be based on rumors or YouTube videos, but news should first come on institute website. As of now, what is going to happen? Nobody knows. So Papan has to make a video and tell. हाँ ऐसा हम लोग सोच रहा. What सोच रहा? What you are thinking? Is it the right way of communicating? Even Amit Shah, the Home Minister of India, will not convey anything just like that. Things will come in through the parliament, through the official notification. Arnab Goswami, such a wonderful anchor, asked, continuously tortures him to get the answers, but Amit Shah will not even tell a single word. That is what the integrity of communication, which should be held at the national level. The lessons are to be learned by Papan bhai, you and the Central Council members. Not even single person raised a question on this. Why notifications come on YouTube first? Notification come on your timeline first. Are you bigger than the institute? What trend you are going to set for the future generations of CMA by doing all these things? Are you thinking? Are things going on the right track with this type of actions? Some students call you and ask, sir, my center is 27 kilometers away, sir. We are facing lot of difficulty. You are boy, no problem, you can travel. Suppose if the same question is raised by a girl, will you adjust for her? One girl calls you and says, sir, I am facing difficulty because of this type of technical problems. You apply for revalidation. You want to pass, you apply for reverification. That's all. Don't talk much. Abruptly you cut the call. If this type of behavior is there, then why you act as a god to the CMA students and just tell that I will take care of everything, I am just living for the sake of students. If you tell such words, just try to stick on such words. Or there are many other central council members who are not telling anything. Nobody expects from them, right? So when you give a word, just stick to it. Integrity, the respect of the institute is dependent on the behavior, the actions, the words of central council members. And we want that to ensure the sanctity of the institute. It's not against any particular individual, but corrections are always a part of life, and that will make us better in life. And that's why I'm making this. At personal level, we definitely respect you, but at institutional level, some things have to be done right, and we expect from central council members to set an example. Not that we should raise a question to teach you that you be like this or like that. And last things which I want to share with you, at personal level, we love you, we respect you. Your personal information you want to share, any marriages are there, ceremonies are there, grand events are there, personal achievements are there, definitely you share first at your timeline. We would be very happy, we'll congratulate you. But institute notification should come at institute's website first. There should be no rumors, no gossips, proper notification, timely notifications we want from the institute. No personal thing should be ahead of institutional respect or institute sanctity. Organizational instead should prevail. Organizational interest should prevail over the personal interest. That's what we have to share. I hope you understand. Students, members, do share the video with everybody, especially with Papan sir. I would be happy.